It is a cold, rainy day here in northern Germany, so I thought it would be a good day to make some spiced apple crêpes. Gather all your ingredients. You'll need 500 milliliters of milk, 3 eggs, 250 milliliters of flour, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla paste, and 1 tablespoon of melted butter. Now crack your 3 eggs in a small bowl. Add your vanilla paste. And your tablespoon of sugar. And be sure to mix this thoroughly. Add your flour in and be sure to mix it until the liquid completely covers all the flour. It's going to be a little clumpy here, but we'll continue mixing and it should be okay. Slowly pour in your milk, mixing until the flour and milk combined and forming a slightly liquidy batter. This is going to be thinner than your normal pancakes. And add the melted butter and continue whisking. Now you're going to want to refrigerate this for at least 30 minutes, allowing the butter to cool and creating a uniform batter. Now wash and slice 3 apples. I would probably do more than 3. I ran out of apple filling at the end. But these crêpes taste good with jam or any other filling that you would like. These slices don't have to be too perfect. We're going to be cooking them in the pan and the apples will melt. Now add a teaspoon of cinnamon, a teaspoon of nutmeg, and a couple of teaspoons of sugar, as much as you would like. And mix this all up with your hands, coating all the apples and picking out any seeds that you probably left in there. Now grab your batter from out of the fridge, and this is sort of the consistency that it should look like. And put a bit of butter in the pan and slowly spread it around the pan. And the first crêpe is always a test run, so don't beat yourself up too much if you don't make it perfect on the first try. Now you want to swirl the batter around as you ladle it into the pan, trying to get an even, uniform coating. But as you can see, it's a little difficult on the first try if the pan isn't heated up enough. So be sure to put your pan on a medium-high heat at first to get that really crispy first side. Now when you see that the batter is fully cooked through and there are little bubbles forming on the top, you want to see if you can lift it up, out, and flip it. This one wasn't as brown as I would like, but it's the first try, so here's to round 2. And if you ever make any little holes in your cut batter, you can always just pour in a little extra batter that you have left in your ladle, filling in those gaps. The batter is really forgiving. And check to see if you can flip it. It should be a little brown on the other side. Try not to burn your fingers. And it should be a little tan brown on the other side, and that's when you know it's perfect to flip and cook just for slightly less time on the other side. And now we want to add our apples into the pan while it's still hot. And a tablespoon of butter. And mix that around so it soaks up into the apples. And they get nice and caramelized. And put a lid on it and let it cook for at least 5 to 10 minutes so they're all soft. And once that's done, we're ready to assemble. Grab one crepe and a little bit of your cooked apple cinnamon mix. Roll it up sideways and make a couple more. Add some powdered sugar on top if you'd like. And here you have it. We made about 8 or 9, and they were delicious. I hope you try it and let me know what you think.